Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this simple and fast personal loan of up to $35,000 with no effect to your credit score initially. This loan is also known as pre-qualification loan, means you can get pre-qualified for this loan with no effect to your credit score. And what it means that they're going to do a soft pull only. It means it will not affect your credit initially. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 line of credit with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity, and this time is from Rocket Loans. Yes, this financial institution is really respected when it comes to giving loans. Yes, they have different sort of loans and type of loans that you can get pretty easily and securely. Yes, and the great thing about it that when you want to pre-qualify for these loans, it's no credit check. It means they will not harm your credit score at all. So now let's talk about what sort of loans, what are the perks, and how you can do it. The first thing, that it is completely online. Yes, it's secure according to them, and of course it's pretty secure because they have been doing it for quite a while, and it's completely online. They are rocket fast according to them. So now offering same day funding. Of course, if you get approved in the morning, you can get the funds as soon as the evening. But remember, if you are going to apply for it like after 2 p.m., then they will deposit the money to your account the next day. So technically it's not the same day every time. They have instant offers. Yes, you can get pre-approved for it, or in short, it's pre-qualification. So what it means that, when you apply for it, it will not harm your credit score, and then they will tell you that either you're approved or not. So if you accept the offer, then they will run a hard inquiry. It means it will affect your credit score, but after you accept the offer, and that accept the offer option will not change the credit decision. So yes, keep that in mind. The fourth thing, that there is no hidden fee. Of course, according to them, they don't charge any other fee besides the APR and other sort of fee that they have. But other than that, there is no hidden fee and there is no prepayment penalty. That's what I really like about Rocket Loans as well. There are a couple of more financial institutions that I have reviewed. They do the same thing. So right here, there's no prepayment penalty. For example, if you actually took a loan of $10,000 and you want to pay it in full next month, and you know that you're going to have the money, or you have the money, so when you pay for it, they're not going to charge you anything and you can pay your loan in full. But most of the institutions, what they do exactly, because they want to make money, so when you try to actually pay the loan in full, they charge you some sort of fee like on top of it, like $300 or $500, and I believe this is a simple rip-off. But right here, of course, it has an amazing opportunity that you can actually prepay for it. So they have 4 types of loans. The first one is debt consolidation. Of course, if you have credit cards with high APRs or other loans with high APRs, you can use their debt consolidation loan, and they will pay that loan directly to the other financial institution whom you have the loan from, and then that's how you can get rid of that loan or credit card. So right here, the other one is actually they do give home improvement. So of course, if you want to do any plumbing job or any other sort of furnishing, or you want to have new lights, or you want to improve your home in any way, so of course you can take out this home improvement loan from them. They're pretty neat when it comes to the home improvement loan, and what I have actually figured out that they're pretty easy when giving out these loans, because they know that you are going to put the money in your own house. So you own a house or you mortgaging it, so you have an asset. So the third one is actually auto expenses. Of course, you are running into a very unexpected expense. For example, you're injured and seized, or you need to change your cars or vehicle shocks or any other sort of mechanical problem or electrical problem and you don't have the money, so you can actually get the auto expenses loan from them and they will give it to you. But right here, as I'm going to show you the other expenses, so I'm going to show you the loan. Of course they all are pretty similar, the application is pretty similar, actually it's the same, right? So I'm going to actually show you exactly the other uses of the loan as well, so what it means exactly. You can actually use it for pretty much anything. For example, you need the money right now, there's an occasion or anything, or you need to pay for something, so you can get this loan. So let's click on other uses right here. So of course they have their own process, so I am going to tell you first that what are the benefits of personal loan with Rocket Loans specifically. They have quick and easy application process. Of course, as I already told you, the money will directly deposit it to your account, so you don't have to go through another or any sort of hassle, you can say. And simple payment options. Of course they have payment options that you can actually pay your loan bi-weekly, weekly or monthly, so you have pretty much great options and you can actually start from 6 months to 72 months, anything that is suitable for you. So let's click on the process and see how their process look like. So as we can see right here, you can explore the options. So what they require right here, you require your full name, your current address, your income information. Just they do require your income information, and then your social security number and date of birth. Don't worry about it, initially they're not going to do a hard credit check, so it's not going to affect your credit, but if you accept the offer, then they will do a hard credit check. Then you can select your loan, of course, and whatever the option they give you, accept it. They will do a hard pull, but right here they will show you that what sort of amount that you are qualified for. Then of course they will review your information and then you can receive your money at the same day. Remember, if you are applying after 2 p.m. then you're gonna get the money the next day, and if you're applying before 2 p.m. then you're gonna get the money at the same day. Of course, right here when you want to see the options, I'm going to show you the application how it looks like. So it says right here, as you can see, it will not affect your credit score initially. Remember and keep that in mind, when you are going to see your options, it's not going to affect your credit score. It's same as pre-approval. I shouldn't say it pre-qualification, because whatever offer they give you is pretty much guaranteed. So if you accept it, they're going to do a hard inquiry on your credit, which will affect your credit score, but it will not change the decision that they have already made, right? So right here I'm going to click on see my option. Is 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, this application opens right here. So what is the loan for? You can actually click right here on the drop down menu, and the great thing about it is, well, that you can actually click on others. So if you don't want to tell them why you need the loan for or the funds for, then they ask you for either you rent, mortgage, or own your own house, your employment status. Of course, if you are going to say that you're unemployed, they're not going to give you the loan, so keep that in mind. Never ever lie on any of these applications because they are directly related to your life and career, so keep that in mind. They require your personal annual income, that is gross income, of course, before taxes, your current home address, your first name, your last name, your phone number, date of birth, email address. They require your social security number, but don't worry about it. They're not going to do a hard pull at the beginning or a hard credit check. They will do it after, of course, you accept the offer, whatever they give you, or your tailored options, right? And then of course you can click right here by checking or indicating that you have a read, consent, or effective electronic signature to the following documents. And then I'm not a robot. Of course, when you click right here on see my options, as you can see right here, it will not affect your credit score, but if you accept it, keep that in mind. If you accept the offer, whatever they give you, then it will affect your credit score. Most of the time they do pull your credit when they are going to do a hard pull, from experience, so keep that in mind. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 line of credit with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Take care.